Hello and welcome to today's video. After Ali and I have spent over 1 week in Split, Croatia, we are excited to share our top 5 favorite sightseeing destinations, and we will also be making a follow-up video of our top 5 favorite destinations outside of Split, or top 5 day trips from Split, Croatia. And once that video becomes available, we'll be linking it in the description section below, so be sure to look out for that. And if you like this video and would like to see more content like this, then be sure to give the video a like and hit the subscribe button for more. And let's go ahead and get to it. Split is actually the second largest city in Croatia and the largest city along the Dalmatian coast, and is divided into kind of 2 main sections. So the first is the newer actual city of Split, where the majority of citizens actually live, much more residential, and like I said, a little bit newer. And then you have the old town of Split. This is the more historic area where you're gonna have a lot more of the sightseeing destinations, which is what we're gonna specifically talk about in this video. And the first sightseeing destination in Split is Diocletian's Palace. Now, Diocletian was a Roman emperor who built this enormous palace, which is what is now in modern day Split, between the 3rd and the 4th century. And he built this specifically for his retirement. So he left Rome, went to retire here and garden and kind of enjoy this enormous palace for 4 years. Once Rome began to fall, and what happened was that natives kind of in the area started building houses and businesses within the palace walls, both in the basement, in their area, erecting churches as time went on, and transformed from this palace into kind of this small little town or small little city. And like I said before, the palace was so large that actually technically Diocletian's Palace makes up half of the old town of Split. So when we say to go visit the palace, you're kind of actually visiting a wide variety of different places. There are beautiful bell towers and cathedrals, museums, amazing restaurants and gelato places, this really cool market kind of underneath where the basement of Diocletian's Palace was. Very, very, very cool. Be sure to have your camera out because you're gonna be taking a lot of photos, and there is a ton to do in this area alone, obviously because it is so dense. Once you've enjoyed taking in all of the sights of Diocletian's Palace, you'll make your way to the RIVA Promenade, which is the main boardwalk that extends along the coastline, which is beautiful in and of itself. It's also a great place to eat with plenty of restaurants right there on the strip as well as nearby. And it's a great place as well if you want to get a taxi tour of the city, as well as various boat tours to all of the different islands and sites in the coast outside of Split as well. It's about a 6-minute walk from end to end of the promenade, which will actually take you to our 3rd sightseeing destination, which is Republic Square. Republic Square is this beautiful, colorful plaza that was built in the 1800s with Italian influence and is the site for multiple cultural gatherings and events. Really beautiful for some amazing romantic photos and selfies, and definitely worth stopping by. Also, kind of at the corner of the promenade and Republic Square, if you're looking for a little bit cheaper, good place to eat, we definitely recommend Toto's Burger and Bar. I know it's definitely not the most authentic, so if you're looking for authentic Croatian, style cuisine, this is not your place. However, really good burgers, wraps, and fairly inexpensive, high quality food. So if you're looking for that snack, definitely recommend checking that out. And a short walk to the west of the promenade and Republic Square, you arrive at sightseeing destination number 4, which is MARJAN Park. Now, MARJAN Park is a fairly large park, and essentially, once you arrive at the foot of these stairs, you can walk up the stairs, not too long, about maybe 10 minutes, to this beautiful view of the city of Split, probably the best view of the city of anywhere, really pretty accessible to get to. And if you want to continue, you can kind of continue hiking up and up and up into the park and see some other sites as well, depending on how much or little time that you have. But really a beautiful, tranquil place. You'll see kind of people jogging, people with their pets, still some cafes and restaurants along the way. So a really beautiful, chill, relaxing place, and a great place for either the sunrise or the sunset over the city of Split. And finally, sightseeing destination number 5, which might be the most unique on our list, is the Diocletian Aqueduct. Now, what's interesting about this sightseeing destination is that Allie and I sort of found this accidentally. So we were actually taking an Uber from the bus station in Split out to our Airbnb, and along the way I look out the window and I see this gigantic aqueduct, and I asked the Uber driver, oh my goodness, what is that? And he says, oh, that's the Diocletian aqueduct, obviously built by Diocletian, and this really beautiful, obviously old historic aqueduct built right into this, what is now this residential community. So Allie and I decided to stop at the aqueduct right around sunset, and it was beautiful. The sun kind of hitting the local kind of farms in the area, reflecting off of the stone. Really, really cool, beautiful place. Maybe a nice little place to stop for potentially a picnic, or if you're already in the area, definitely worth stopping by. But it's about a 10 to 15 minute drive outside of the old city of Split. So it's a little bit further out there. And if you're just kind of staying in the old town, then maybe not worth going out of your way to visit. Just something kind of unique and a little bit different, and something that we wanted to share with you. Obviously, as you've seen, Split, Croatia is a beautiful place in and of itself, but it's also one of the best situated cities in the world, in our opinion, to some other amazing, breathtaking, and beautiful places. Just a short boat trip or a short drive away from the city. And we're gonna be covering our top 5 day trips from Split. And once that video becomes available, we'll be linking it in the description section of this video. So if you're interested in that as well, be sure to check it out. But regardless, we hope you found this video helpful in maybe deciding whether to come to Split or not, how much time to spend. So if you did find the video valuable, then let us know by giving the video a thumbs up. If you have any questions or anything you'd like to add for other travelers, let us know in the comment section below. And as always, thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more content like this, and we look forward to seeing you in future adventures. Ciao!